Crazy, you'll smash yourself.
Having a good old time. Hi, sweetie pie.
We'll get a little net thing to keep her on the stairs.
That's not a bad idea at all.
Where can she go? She could literally touch right there.
Yay!
You little swimmer.
Yeah.
See young Phelps.
Yep. She's gonna have a heyday. Oh.
Whoa. Whoa. You look crazy. You don't want chlorine in your mouth. I just wouldn't be cool.
Having a good old time.
That can't hurt her, right? Being so young, chlorine in her mouth.
I don't know. I don't